The voice I'm speaking with right now isn't actually mine.
It's one of the more than 10,000 voices
in the ElevenLabs Voice Library.
So if you want to know how to swap your voice with AI, whether it's to perfect the delivery of the voice in your next film, or you want to test voice variations within your ads, keep watching. So right now I'm working on my next AI short film, and I like to use a role that I film to then direct the delivery of the character for the audio and also the visuals. And so here I've already done the visuals, and I've turned this A roll into the detective scene with the character using Seedream 5.0 Pro to generate the actual design, and then using Kling 3.0 Pro motion control to match the movement of my A roll to the new character and scene. But you'll notice that if I play it back, you're about to learn how to make the most insane AI videos from start to finish. Let's begin. It still sounds exactly like me. To fix it, inside ElevenLabs, we want to use Voice Changer. If you can't see it, just click on More Tools, and then you can pin Voice Changer to your toolbar. If we click on Voice Changer, here, all we have to do is upload the audio or video file where we want to change the voice. I simply have to drag and drop my video, and on the right side, I can go ahead and choose a voice. Here I've got all of the voices that I've already added to my voice selection, or we can go and explore voices in the voice library just like this, and we can search for anything. So for example, if I wanted a detective style voice for my character, because my character is a detective, I could simply type in detective and we'll see what it suggests. So let's go ahead and click on preview to drag Jackson.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have our work cut out for us.
This one feels like it fits. I'm looking for something that's deep and a little bit raspy that would match my detective character. And so I'm simply going to click on this one right here. And now it's going to be added to my voice selection and to the voice that we're going to be using to swap the voice in this video. Below this, we have a few different settings. First of all, if in your video you have background noise, you want to make sure that you toggle remove background noise. So if it's an AI generation and you only want to swap the voice, well, you need to make sure that you strip the background noise. Otherwise, Voice Changer will also take into account those audio artifacts that aren't actually voice. After that, here we've got a few different settings. First of all, we've got stability. The more consistent you want your generations to be, the more stable you want to make it. However, going too stable can make the generation sound a little bit monotone. After that, we've got similarity, and essentially similarity is how similar the voice generation is to the original recording that you uploaded. Once again here, going too high isn't recommended because it can cause audio artifacts, and going too low can cause it not to sound enough like the original audio that you uploaded. And then finally, style exaggeration. If you want something with a little bit more pizzazz, for lack of a better word, well, here you can simply increase the style exaggeration. But again, going up too high with this can lead to instability. And honestly, my recommendation is simply using the default values. So click on reset values right here, and as you can see, these are the default values. Below this, you can also choose the output format that you would like. So if you want a .wav file or you want a .mp3 with different options, well, you can go and choose the one that matches your project the most. And then below that, we've got speaker boost, which I also tend to leave on by default. But once you've done this, you can then go and click on generate speech.
You're about to learn how to make the most insane AI videos from start to finish. Let's begin.
As you can see, we've now got the exact same line with the same cadence, the same delivery, except it's a new voice. And this is what's great about Voice Changer and why it's great to actually record audio and then swap the voice afterwards, because you can get the perfect delivery with a new voice. And so if we match it up with the video clip, we get this.
You're about to learn how to make the most insane AI videos from start to finish. Let's begin.
And one suggestion I will give, especially if you're working on AI films and you are recording the original audio or even A-roll with it, is to do a little bit of voice acting. Even if you are a terrible voice actor like myself, changing your voice to match the character that you want to swap to as much as possible, and then combining that with the voice in Voice Changer gives you much better results than always applying Voice Changer to your voice. And so for example, if we speak with a really deep voice,
we might get some better voice generations.
Or for other voices,
maybe it's better to go with something really high-pitched.
But basically, you just want to try and match the voice that you're going for as much as possible with your own recording and then swapping it on top, and you can get some much better results. Are you telling me
you don't want to be part of me career?
I just can't believe it. Did you see the speed he was going at?
Sir? Hello? I think they might do something on the ship with us.
Now you know how to swap your voice with AI. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.